Huh. UGS Cyphers. They got one that's more recent than 9 days ago? Oh, and then he dropped like their separate. Okay, that's hard. Okay. UGS. Let's check it out. From 9 minutes or 9 days ago. All right. Let's work then. Let's work.
I'm 42, and this is the.
Stop already. 42. You're an agent.
Oh my God! Bumbucker!
You an agent? Who's 42? 42? What? Huh?
I'm 42, and this is the 2026 Underground Sound Cypher.
Why is it so low? Why is it so low? That's why. Wait, it's still low. What, like, my settings sometimes on this shit be just mad odd. Fuck going on? Pardon me, y'all. Pardon me. Yeah, why is it doing that, man? Put it here. Let's work. I highly doubt she said that, Mud. I highly doubt she said yo dick like heaven, bro. Please. Please, dog. Mad rap cap already. Y'all don't know which one is worse, being underground or being a rap capper. Fuck. You the type of nigga to get groomed, don't roll black. My shooter schizophrenic, that boy think that he in black ops. I be seeing numbers, bitch, I feel like I'm in black ops. Bitch, I'm swagged out, so I went to the grocery store. I ain't see the whore, so a nigga left the grocery store. She ain't sucking dick, then a nigga don't wanna talk no more. I'm so swagged up, you can see it coming out my pores. Cow swag, flex on Rolex like he been 10. Why these niggas flexing shit that a nigga been in? No, my brother, with all due respect, we can see it from your pores because you rode on that big bus that's the same color, or excuse me, the small bus that was the same color as your hat and your undershirt. Oh my God! That's what we can see from your pores, Nick. Yeah, you look mad slow. You look mad slow. And I'll be real, drugs don't do all of that. They don't do all of that. Like Cat Williams said, you was either small and got big, or you was big and got small. I'm so high, I went to Chick-fil-A on a Sunday. Bitch talk crazy, block a hoe like the Kimbe. This swag so global, I got white hoes in Norway. What? Slick? Yo, LA, NYC, I got jet lag. Smoke runs where my head at. Fit red back, taste that back. I done went up, don't know how to act. She got me blocked, bitch, she call me back. Louis Vuitton with a Glock to match. Throw your bag, I pop tag. They coming first, then you coming last. She better song, then she running back. They going denim all over my ass. Niggas behind man, god damn. This gotta be the slow kid Cypher. This niggas, man, just hopping around. Man, all these niggas mad slow. Gotta be. I want to ask them, what will they all individually? We have them in an interrogation room. I want to ask them,
Okay, that's on some fed ass shit. I don't give a shit. I ain't no fed nigga. I want to ask all of these individuals standing up here in the cold, what will y'all do for fame? What will y'all do to be famous? Who's your favorite rapper? What will you do? What will you be willing to do? To be on a song with him, be on tour with him, be right next to him, huh? What would you do? I want to ask you that.
I don't win up, don't know how to act. She got me blocked, bitch, she call me back. Louis Vuitton with a Glock to match. What? Down. Okay.
And stop. I want to say something else. With ciphers, yes, we've been knowing that most people's freestyles is not an actual freestyle. We understand that. But with these ciphers, please stop performing y'all's actual songs that's already out, about to come out. You putting the verse, the chorus 2 times, doing your own act. Stop with that, bro. I'll say this, if you was B-list, C-list, working your way up, or underground, I don't give a damn. Stop doing that. Why are you wearing this? Why are you wearing this jacket, Mud? You know he dropped out in the 8th grade.
Stop letting them gas you up. Just know that we slide, nigga, we turn it up. Got all types of hoes, don't know who to choose. Shit, I just need me a nut. Got a young nigga mad, she still with the game. Boy, she said you a plug. If you saying it's up, it's stuck. Now these niggas mad at us. I stay out the way, I'm counting my hundreds, confused, I'm running it up. Just pop me a 10, I'm about to get tight. Finna go up in the front. Talking like hoes, a young nigga home. Shit, it really ain't nothing. Love my hoe so much, I can't even choose who I want. Can't stay with no bitch who stay with an attitude, get that gone. I'm picking and choosing, I do what I want. Girl, I know I'm wrong. I'm picking that money before I choose you, cause we ain't lasting long. Bad bitch give me head, little bit gon' do what I said. All this shit I got cost me a lid. What's your hoe and I'm rocking the bed. Play with me, I'ma fill you a lid. No cap, I'ma aim for the head. All these bitches, they know I'm the man. All these bitches, they know I'm the man.
How many of these dudes up here you think went to the gun range before? Let's flex that. He scares me. I stand corrected. I will not be asking him what he will do for fame. I will not be asking this squirt. This nigga got 6-inch heel pumps on.
Oh my God.
This nigga already on the blade. Shit me, he already ready to get with a little boo-boo on his goddamn belt loop. Bless his heart. Am I playing Pac-Man, the arcade Pac-Man? Am I playing that? Like y'all hear the what the fuck? But the craziest part is he probably carried the most out of all these niggas standing up here. He probably carried the most. Him, right here. Him. Yeah, the boo-boo nigga. Oh, yeah, he care. He probably cared the most about rapping. Yo, what are you animating? What are you animating? You just got you a turkey neck? What you animating back there? I told you niggas short. Yo, show bus shorty. Okay. Okay. Huh.
Meantime, I read my jeans. Hellcat got no key. I'm losing my speech. Geek, I'm having weed. I go through the weeds. I'm still pulling weeds. Run me like a gene. Yeah, she treat me like Jesus. I'm going overseas.
Wait, she treats you like Jesus or Jeezy? Fuck you said, boy?
Run me like a gene. Yeah, she treat me like Jesus. I'm going overseas. Celine is double G. I make all my peace with both my bitches. Take it visas down. Rock the star, I'm bouncing inside my seat. It's how you gon' keep it up. Both my bitches the same. Both my cars the same. Right stop, put on chain. I don't even know her name. Went from none to fame. Walk out on my pain. The same with all my hoes. I stayed in my lane. Meantime, I rip my jeans. Hellcat got no key. I'm losing my speech. Geek, I'm having weed.
Uh-oh. His hair tough. What's his name? Failure. This nigga named Failure? Is he already projecting the trajectory of his life already? Is he projecting his music career already? Failure. Oh, my bad. Oh, I can't read. W Cliff Farm. Fuck nigga. You know I seen it. YouTube. Hey, YouTube. You know I seen it. Cliff Farming. Come on now. Oh my gosh, bro.
Too far, John nigga, shit, and they some news. I'm up to motherfucker, tree like a pendulum. I'm not a nigga, gon' play like a random. I turn bumpin', they fire at 10 If that shit not a county, they answer. She wanna touch it, I buy you down hands. I send me nigga like Ty DBS. You don't do shit for your life, I get hammered. Turn on the pun, I put less in your chest. Yeah, I'm pulling my pocket, no ace out of dance. Should've went motherfucker, honey, wrist. Saying my tune on like Papa on them. Yeah, for they know they surprise you a bitch. Nigga got fist, now hoe getting Kenny. I'm a little truth, putting lines on fist.
Oh, G Kid, bro. I thought I could do it. I was feeling it. Like the idea of just like fucking off. And bro, my heart, my mind can't even like withstand a lot of this shit. Just a clip farm, bro. I swear I can't like.
Oh my God!
You Benny Hanna eating, truck driving, food truck eating. Empanadas. Just throwing shit up like. What the actual fuck? Yeah. Yeah, that's what I've been thinking the past 8 minutes. Oh, wow. Fuck this lineup. This shit weak. Oh, wow. Wow. Fuck this lineup. Why you looking at them niggas? Fuck this lineup. This shit weak. Okay, we can get a round of applause for that. We can get a round of applause for that shit.
Fuck that lineup, this shit weak. Look at me, Mario made it geek. How to pay who high to me, who fly to me, nobody beat. Heard I got racks put on my head, get a hoe he love, follow me. Boy, you can keep that bitch on right the way she swallow me. Mask up like it's Halloween, grab F and then my shooter purse. She too tight for G19, put a lapel inside her purse. Hang out a none, that little boy scared to shoot. I tell her go to church, try what I want, fuck what I like, bitch. I got rich off words, yeah. I'm gonna make that pull out 10, bitch. I'ma give me Kirk, yeah. Poppin' that RP, bitch. I'm.
Nigga said, give me Kirk.
Bumbucker.
Yo, you don't got the right to be saying that like that, Mud. That fat ass dermal by your eye.
I got a bitch, she from the island, just like Ruby work. Shooting got Ramadan, send him on mission, tell him rockin'.
What you doing? What you doing? What's that? What is that? This nigga a fucking Q-Dog or something? This nigga a Kappa? What the fuck is wrong with this nigga in the cut? Doing all this shimmying and shaking and shit. What the fuck is wrong with this nigga Atlanta nigga, man? What the fuck is that? He got handed that. He got fucking squirrels in his bed. Who is next? Oh, this nigga? Is he last one? God bless America.
Saw the devil in Minneapolis, that bitch, she steady grinning. I just rolled a joint and twisted like my fucking dreads are thinning. I'm a mogul, I invest in women, proxy next to Finnet. Feel like I'm the best up in my fucking class, yeah, I admit it. I'm so hungry, stomach spinning, my music bumping, drums are hitting. Like the ocean tides are shifting, no, it's my time, I've been sprinting. No, I'm not like other niggas in my bitch, not other women. Niggas asking for some substance and they put like nothing in it. Bitch on my dick, on my mama, I might slap a bitch. Bitch on the knees. Con capping, I could teach you how to jug, but jugging niggas is a passion. 20/20 vision, as a kid I wanted glasses. Niggas is not eating, might be fasting. I don't want the beat without the 4-step and the clapping. Tricks off the kids like the motherfucking rabbit. If I see some money, gotta grab it. Need a speaker knocking, told them niggas turn the speakers up. Getting chicken like some Popeyes, I'ma piece you up. Bitch, I gotta deal with the Jews, yeah, they lease me up. Smoke more weed than that nigga with Khalifa. I'm a flexer up the bankrolls on the teachers. Back in high school, I had bankroll in the bleachers. Now I'm swerving into Cedars. I just put a deuce in a Sprite, 2 liters.
And that's where we shut it off. That's where we shut it off right there.